We'll be making pizza today. Come join us.
Here are the ingredients we need. Pour 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar into a cup of lukewarm water and keep it aside for 5 minutes.
Flour, yeast, olive oil, mixed gently with patience and care.
Knead until it feels soft, smooth, and alive under your hands. Divide, shape, and prepare for the perfect pizza base.
Mix tomato sauce, garlic, olive oil, oregano, and chili flakes for a rich pizza base.
Press from the center, let the dough stretch naturally. This is how you shape a perfect pizza. Spread the sauce on the base, add cooked chicken pieces, and your favorite toppings.
Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, or until the crust turns golden and crisp.
Yummy, very delicious. Please let us know which pizza you like the most in our comments section. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more recipes.